What's the meaning of buzzsaw? Buzzsaw. Buzzsaw.
Buzzsaw. Buzzsaw. The term buzzsaw typically refers to a type of power saw that uses a circular blade with sharp teeth to quickly cut through wood, metal, or other materials. When in use, the saw blade rotates rapidly, creating a high-pitched buzzing sound as it slices through the material. The resulting cuts are clean and precise, allowing for efficient and accurate cutting. However, the term buzzsaw can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is capable of causing swift and decisive destruction or dismantling, much like a power saw slicing through a piece of wood.